Some men said the blue pills are not working for them. Viagra is not working for them. Why is this happening? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the correct way to use this medication, the right way, because some people are taking it wrongly and that is why it's not working. So you're welcome to the channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Before we go into how you can take the tablet, let's talk about how erection actually occurs, because for you to know how this medication works, you need to understand how erection happen. When you are aroused, there's a way the brain will send a message to your penis. These messages cause some chemicals to be released in your penis. These chemicals will now cause your blood vessels in your penis to be widened. Because the blood vessels in your penis is widened, it will allow blood flow to rush into the tissue in your penis called the corpus cavernosum. And because of this, that is when you get hard, that is when you achieve an erection. Now, when it comes to the blue pills, when it comes to Viagra, because you already know that you need proper blood flow into your penis. When this does not happen, that is where you need Viagra when you have erectile dysfunction. The Viagra helps you to improve blood flow to your penis. Remember, when you are aroused. And typically it works within 30 minutes to 60 minutes, meaning you have to take this medication before the activity. And most importantly, you have to be aroused for this medication to be effective. Remember what I said, that you need to be aroused for this message to be sent into your brain, and then your brain will now follow that process. But when you are not aroused and you just take this tablet, it will not be effective. So you need to be aroused before you take your Viagra, because Viagra is meant to promote and help you to sustain your erection. Some medications like Sildenafil, like Tadalafil will not work when you take them when you already have food in your stomach. No, they are meant for you to be taken on an empty stomach. And this is because when you eat before taking this medication, it actually diverts the blood flow to your stomach for absorption of that food instead of the absorption of the medication, of that Viagra. So that is why you should take it on an empty stomach. Do not take it when you're already full with food and then that is when you want to take it. It will not be effective, and that is when you will now be like, oh, it's not working. It will not work, and you will still have the side effects that comes with it because you've already taken the medication. So it is better for you to take it on an empty stomach as recommended. Viagra can work in your body for like 5 hours. Even though Viagra works like 5 hours or even 7 hours in your body, that doesn't mean that your erection should last for that long. It should not last for that long. And in rare cases, Viagra can actually cause some men to have priapism, which is like an emergency condition that needs to be resolved immediately, because if it is not resolved immediately, it can actually damage the tissues in your penis, which can lead to erectile dysfunction. So if you know that you've been erect for a long period of time, you need to go to the hospital and get checked to be sure that everything is good. And I've seen a lot of people be like, oh, if you want to last longer in bed, take Viagra and all of that. My brother, Viagra is not meant to, to increase your sexual drive. It is meant to help you to sustain your erection. Like I said, you have to be aroused before Viagra will be effective. So Viagra can only, promote your sexual confidence, because it can help you to treat your erectile dysfunction when you are aroused. Because of this, you'll be confident, of course, and that might increase your sex drive. Taking Viagra will not make you to have increased sex drive. If it is not effective, please speak to your doctor. They will probably prescribe you with another medication that will be effective for your erectile dysfunction. But don't take it now and then you notice that in the next 5 hours it was not effective, you take another one. Please don't do that. Based on research, 30% of men will not get their desired results from taking this medication. So if you know you take this medication and it is not effective for you, there's no need to be sad. There's no need for you to abuse it or for you to be like, well, I will take it in excess for it to be effective. No, please visit your doctor. Like I said, they will probably prescribe you with another medication that will be effective for you. We have several options that are available for you, so don't just go ahead to misuse it or abuse the medication because you want it to be effective. Also, there are some things that you should be cautious of when it comes to taking Viagra. Number one is the use of nitrate. If you are using nitrate or you are using any medication that has nitroglycerin in it, You know all this medication that they used to give to somebody that is having like chest pain, or that they will give you and you put under your tongue. Please don't take this medication with viagra. They don't go along well together. If you are taking this type of medication, then you cannot make use of viagra. Please speak with your doctor. If you are taking alpha blockers medications like tamsulosin, like doxycycline, please don't take these medications together. You need to take them separately because you're not supposed to take them together. And if you know that you've tried this medication, you've used most of it, either the Sildenafil or the Tadalafil, and it's still not working, please speak to your doctor. Speak to them. Like I said, there are several options available for you. They will give you options, then you'll be able to choose the best one that will work for you. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm begging you so you don't miss my next video. And please like this video, share this video, and leave a comment. I want to know your thoughts. Have you used this medication? Has it been effective for you, or you have other ones that you're making use of? Kindly leave it in the comment section so we can learn together. And I'll link some other videos in the description box so you can watch them as well. I've got loads of videos on penis health, on foods to eat to maintain your penis size, and also stuff that reduce the size of your penis. I've got loads of videos on this channel, but I'll link them in the description box so you can watch them as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.